Hello and welcome. This is Azharul Rafy, and in this video I'm going to give you some update regarding our WordPress beginner to advanced course, where our ultimate goal is to become job ready to start providing freelance services with WordPress and Elementor on Upwork, Fiverr or whatever freelance marketplace you'd love to work on. So far I have uploaded 12 lessons on our beginner to advanced course, and I have covered everything you need to know about WordPress options available on WordPress backend to get started and to start building your knowledge base about WordPress. And after that, I'm going to start uploading advanced lessons step by step. As you can see, today I'm going to upload a video which is going to be a little advanced. We are going in the practical work now. So why I'm making this video? I'm making this video just to remind you, just to let you know, you should watch the previous lessons if you want to understand our future lessons properly, and if you want to get the knowledge base, because if you don't know the base knowledge, then how you will understand the advanced skills, advanced options. So in this case, I would recommend you please watch the 12 lessons which I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel, and let's get ready for our future advanced lessons where we are going to build websites nicely from the scratch. We are going to use themes, we are going to customize things, we are going to use plugins, and we are going to work on those plugins to make them work for us. So please let me know by commenting below, have you watched the videos already, and your thoughts, like if I was able to provide you great values throughout the previous lessons, and if you have got some suggestions, please let me know by commenting below as well, the way how I can improve the quality to deliver you all the best contents available on the online burst of this YouTubing or whatever platform you are following these similar types of videos. So let me know your opinions, how I can improve the video qualities, and if you have got any other suggestions as well. And I want you to watch the previous basic videos here which I have already uploaded to get ready for our advanced lessons. And again, thank you so much for being with me, and I'm so happy because you guys are loving the videos. I'm seeing 100% success rate here. As you can see, like ratio 100%, 100%. So this makes me motivated, this keeps me motivated to make and upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to attach the video links into the description field below. If you have missed them, please watch them, start watching them right now, and please complete. I'm going to upload our next lesson soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day, and great days are coming ahead.